Hi everyone, welcome to Click for Knowledge. We are going to discuss about Microsoft Excel for basic formulas. Topic covered are sum, average, maximum, minimum and count. I have taken a sample sheet here of employee details where the employee number, employee ID, staff details, and salary and passport number and details are given here. Right now we will calculate how much is the total salary, how much is the average salary, what is the number of counts, and how much is the maximum salary and how much is the minimum salary of these employees. Okay, so I'm deleting this to start it with the formula. Okay, first of all we'll try to do it on the total salary. For that there is a formula. You need to press equal sum, SUM, and put the bracket and select the cells which are calculating these salaries. So and close the bracket and press enter. So you get the total salary here, right? So you can get the sum after selecting it and press enter, you'll get the total salary. Next is average. So there is a formula for to calculate the average, that is press equal and then type average, open the bracket, select the area, the cells, and close the cells and enter. You'll get the average salary of these employees. So on an average it's 6,300 is the average for the entire 10 employees salaries. Okay, next one we are calculating how much is the count. If you want to count it, then there's a formula for this, equal to count, and then open the bracket and select the cells and close the bracket and enter. So you get the count as 10, right? So there are 10 employees here, so that's why. If then next one is to calculate the maximum salary which an employee is getting out of these 10. So equal to max, max, put the bracket and select the cells, close the bracket and enter. You get the maximum, which is 12,000. This is the maximum salary that employee is getting. Okay, next one is minimum. Who is minimum, which calculate, there is a formula for this, equal to min, min. Okay, then open the bracket and then select the cells, close the bracket, press enter. Okay, 2,500 you're getting as a minimum salary out of these 10 employees. I hope you have understood the basic Excel formulas. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.